Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. What's up? Guys, welcome back to another video about Holochain. Guys, after a long time, I'm talking about Holochain because today a lot of Holo holders messaged me that what should we do now in the latest situation. As you can see here on the screen, that the last 1 hour, last 60-minute update of Holochain is going negative. So a lot of people are confused that what should we do in the right now situation. So guys, don't worry. In this video, I will show you that what's the best decision for all of you. First of all, if you are new here, so kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos. So guys, at this time, if you talk about the currently price of Holochain 0.009729 USD dollar, that is the currently price of Holo. Other side, last 1 hour changes is negative 0.27%. Last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes of Holo chain is completely positive, guys. Only just in just last 60 minutes changes, the beta of Holochain is going negative, so a lot of people are decide to sell due to these negative changes. But don't worry, guys, that is a temporary changes. I believe that very soon you found Holochain positive, guys, so just hold. Absolutely, my prediction is 190 to 100% positive that the price of Holochain will highly pump to the last of October, guys. To the last of 31 October, Holo will continue this positive changes, guys. So absolutely, if the changes becomes positive, so you have to hold. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, any coin, so kindly please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.